Good day everyone, my name is Mary Jane Dosit.
And I am Kian J. Karingal.
And we're Group 3. We're going to tackle about Gay-Lussac's law of ideal gases.
And combined gas law.
Gay-Lussac's law of ideal gases is a gas law that states that the pressure of fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature in Kelvin when the volume remains constant.
Combined gas law combines Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Gay-Lussac's law into a single equation. It describes the relationship between pressure, volume, and temperature for a fixed amount of gas.
Did you know, Gay-Lussac's law usually refers to Joseph Louis. Gay-Lussac's law of combining gases discovered in 1808 and published in 1809.